Good morning. I am Vibhuti CP from KJ Somaya College, Kopargaon. I am going to teach you the agrochemicals. Today's topic is BHC, that is benzene hexachloride, having a formula that is C6H6Cl6. Here, this BHC is used as a pesticides, but here there are the 8 isomers of this compound is there. Only the gamma BHC is useful for pesticides because it is very toxic, pesticides. Let me learn the synthesis and the isomers. First, how it is prepared? It is prepared by a simple process that is called as a chlorination reaction. It is the addition reaction. In this chlorination reaction, this benzene, which is treated with chlorine compound, just only the addition of or just only in presence of light, there is a formation of benzene hexachloride. Like this. Okay, this is the structure of what? Benzene hexachloride. But this benzene hexachloride have a number of isomer. There are 8 isomer is there. Out of this 8 isomer, only the gamma isomer is important to study the pesticides because this gamma isomer is the toxic isomer. Let me learn the structure. Here, this is the structure of gamma isomer, like this. This is a gamma isomer of BHC. This is very toxic. Here, likewise, another isomer are also there. This is the structure of alpha isomer. This is alpha isomer of BHC, and the one more compound having a structure, that is this is a beta isomer. These are the well-known examples of the isomer of BHC. Likewise. Okay, here on chlorination reaction of the benzene, in presence of light, there is a formation of the hexachloride, that is benzene hexachloride. Here, this benzene hexachloride have the 8 isomers. Out of these are some examples of the isomer. This is the beta isomers. This one is the alpha isomer. But in our syllabus, we are going to study this gamma isomer. Why we are going to study only this gamma isomer, and why we use only this isomer of this benzene hexachloride? Because this compound is very toxic. This compound is very toxic, and that's why it is useful for to kill the pest, animal parasites, etc. Here, this compound which form with the production of toluene, xylene, etc. Okay, let me learn the properties. This compound is white crystalline compound having a melting point 110 degrees Celsius. This is colorless compound and the odorless compound. Here, this gamma BHC is called as a landane. Remember that we are going to study the landane compound. This is why it is called as a landane, because this is the gamma isomer of the BHC. Next important point is that here this compound is more rapidly than DDT. That means it is more reactive than the DDT. Next here we are going to learn that is the application of the BHC. The first application that it is used as a fungicide. Fungicide, that is the compounds, chemicals which is used to kill the fungi. Most widely use of this BHC is on wheat to kill the fungal disease on the wheat. Next is that here this is a pharmaceutical use for the pharmaceutical treatment of lice and scalarids. Next is that here it is also useful to control the harmful insects, also the plant pest and the animal parasite. Animal parasite, that is the lice and the scalarids, etc. Let me learn the drawback. Here this compound is used as a carcinogenic. Carcinogenic, that is what? Cancer causing agent, and that's why here it is very dangerous for our nervous system, kidney, digestive system, etc. Here WHO, according to the WHO, who tells this BHC is moderately hazardous, and also this is a persistent organic pollutant. This is a persistent organic pollutant. That means it remains in the environment for a longer period, and that's why it causes the pollution. Next, this compound is bioaccumulated in a food chain. What it means? It means this compound, whenever we apply on the crop, this is goes to the soil and accumulated in the soil, and whenever we add the another crop, this is transferred to that of the crop, and that means this is accumulate to the food chain, and that's why it is very dangerous, and that's why some country ban on the BHC because of their environmental hazardous, because of their human being hazardous. Okay, this is about what? The BHC, the synthesis, properties, applications and the drawbacks and the side effects. Next time we'll learn about the next agrochemicals, their synthesis and the property. Thanks for watching my lecture.